So now we will see the challenges for IoT to become popular. For the IoT industry to thrive, there are three categories of challenges to overcome, and this is true for any new trend in technology, not only IoT. So the challenges to overcome are technology, business, and society. So the part tech the we can say that technology is the part which is covering all the techniques that are needed to make the IoT system function smoothly as a standalone solution or part of existing systems. And that's not an easy mission, because when we are trying to find out all the technologies in such a way that it should be a standalone solution. So there are many technological challenges like security, connectivity, compatibility and longevity, standards, intelligent analysis and actions. Then security, that is, it has already turned into a serious concern that has drawn the baby monitors, smart fridges, thermostats, drug infusion pumps, cameras, and even radio in your car, because that security nightmare is caused by the future of IoT. So many new nodes are being added to the networks, and the internet will provide the malicious actors with the vectors and possibilities to carry out the evil deeds. The more important shift in security will come from the fact that IoT will become more ingrained in our lives. Then comes connectivity. So connecting so many devices will be one of the biggest challenges for future of the IoT, because if IoT is basically connecting the devices sitting at our home around the globe. So connecting many devices will be one of the biggest challenge, and it will defy the very structure of current communication models and the technologies. Now the model is sufficient for current IoT ecosystem, but when network grows, then to join billions and hundreds of billions of devices, the centralized system will turn into a bottleneck. And such systems will require huge investments and spending in maintaining cloud servers that can handle such large amount of information exchange. Because when you are trying to grow your network, we have to invest a lot and we have to maintain the data. So the future of IoT will very much have to depend on decentralizing IoT networks, and other solutions can involve like peer to peer communication, where devices can identify and authenticate each other and then exchange information, blockchain, etc. Then the third, that is the compatibility and longevity. So IoT is growing in many different directions with many different technologies. So this caused some difficulties, and it requires the deployment of extra hardware and software when we are trying to connect the devices. Other compatibility issues stem from non-unified cloud services, lack of centralized standardized protocols. Some of the technologies will eventually become obsolete in the next few years. Effectively, the devices implementing can become useless. So this is especially important in contrast to generic the computing devices with a good lifespan. Then the standards. So the technologies standards, which include network protocols, communication protocols, and data aggregation standards, are some of the activities of handling, processing, and storing the data collected from the sensors. So this can increase the scale, scope, and frequency of data available for analysis. Then the intelligent analysis and actions. So the second phase of this stage is intelligent actions, which can be expressed as M2M or M2H interfaces. For example, with the advancement in UI and UX technologies. These are some challenges for IoT to become popular. In our next section, we will see the challenges facing the adoptions of standards, then the factors that are driving the adoption intelligent analytics, challenges facing the adoptions of intelligent analytics within IoT. Thank you.